Hi, Billy the Artist here, and I just want to give you a quick little overview video of my How to Draw Harry Potter characters. We've got here Harry, Ron and Hermione, and I am going to be doing others, so do like and subscribe to be kept up to date. But for all the Harry Potter How to Draw videos, I'm creating a new playlist just for the Harry Potter characters. But if you check out the links in the description, but also in the cards in the top right hand corner of this YouTube video, there is the direct link for how to draw Harry Potter, how to draw Ron and how to draw Hermione. So do check out those links in the cards and in the description for these specific how to draw videos. They're over 2 hours each, 2.5 hours some of them, but I take it from the very first pencil line right the way through to the finished drawing. So I am going to be doing more Harry Potter videos. You've asked for more characters, but I have a lot of work, and I'm currently doing an oil painting on the 4x World Superbike champion. I've done the previous 3 championships, Jonathan Ray, so I've got to get that finished, and I fit in my how to draw videos for you guys in and amongst my main work. And I love doing them, and it's great fun to do it and to encourage you, and the feedback's been brilliant and the suggestions for lots of other how to draw videos, but I have to do my art for my oil painting work. So anyway, thank you again so much for liking these and enjoying them and sharing them. Do share them out with the Harry Potter fans, and there will be more in the future. And do share these. Thanks again. Like and subscribe. Take care. Ta-da.